Hello children, welcome back for the new session of science, chapter 5, acids, bases and salt. Up till now you all learned about the introduction of acids, bases and salt, and the previous video you all learned about the indicators. Okay, today we are going to continue the lesson. Children, you are already learned about three types of natural indicators: litmus paper, turmeric paper and China rose petals. Yesterday, previous video you have learned about litmus paper and turmeric paper. Now today we are going to learn about China rose petal as an indicator. So for that, let us do one experiment to show that how does it work in acid and bases. Collect some China rose petals and place them in a beaker. You look on the screen, it is already there the picture. You just have a look. Collect some China rose petals and place them in a beaker. After that, add some warm water. Keep the mixture for some time till water becomes colored. After collecting the China rose petals, you have to add some warm water and keep the mixture as it is for some time till the water becomes color. You can see on the screen the water will become red color. After some time you can see that the water become colored. Then use this color water as an indicator. So this red color water we are using as an indicator. After that, what to do? Add 5 drops of this indicator to the given acids and bases. We are already having some acid solutions and basic solution, and we have to add 5 drops of this China rose petal indicator to each and every acid solution and basic solution. After that, just observe what changes are happening. So let us wait and observe what is the effect of the indicator on acidic and basic solution. Just wait for 5 minutes and we can see that what changes are happening. Finally, we can observe that China rose indicator turns acidic solution to dark pink and basic solution to green color. Look at the screen. You can see that acid one test tube it is there. The middle one is indicator, that is China rose petal indicator, and another one is a basic solution. So if we are adding this China rose petal indicator to acid solution, it will turn into dark pink color, and if you are adding China rose petal indicator to the basic solution, it will turn into green color. You can see the diagram on the screen. Now any acid if you are taking, for example sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, whichever acid if you are taking, adding this indicator to them, it will turn into dark pink color. At the same time, if you take the basic solution like calcium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, etc., and add this China rose petal indicator to them, it will turn into green color. So this is about the indicator of China rose petal indicator. I hope all of you understood this experiment. Okay children? Hello children, now we are going to learn about neutralization. Let us see what happens when an acid is mixed with a base. We are going to use an indicator you have not used so far. It's a new one for you. It is called the phenolphthalein. Okay, let us start the experiment. Fill 1/4 of a test tube with dilute hydrochloric acid. Note down the color of acid and also note down the color of phenolphthalein. Before starting the experiment, we have to note down the color of hydrochloric acid and the color of phenolphthalein, that is indicator. After that, add 2-3 drops of this phenolphthalein indicator to the acid. To the acid we are already having in one test tube hydrochloric acid. We have to add 2-3 drops of this phenolphthalein indicator to this acid. And what to do? Now shake the test tube gently. After adding this one, we have to shake it gently, slowly, and observe. After that, Now what you are having in a test tube, hydrochloric acid is there, phenolphthalein is there. Now after that, add to the acidic solution a drop of sodium hydroxide solution. Now we are having a test tube with the acidic solution, only acid, hydrochloric acid and phenolphthalein is there. Then after that, in the same test tube we have to add a drop of sodium hydroxide, that is a basic solution, and stir it properly and observe. Okay. After that, what to do? Continue adding sodium hydroxide solution till the pink color just appears. Listen children, the first test tube you can see that no color is there, and the second test tube you see the pink color is there. So we have to adding continuously sodium hydroxide to this acidic solution till the pink color appearing. Understood? Okay. After pink color appearing, now see that now we are having pink color solution in the test tube. After that, now add one more drop of dilute hydrochloric acid. Now pink color is there. Now again just adding one drop of hydrochloric acid in this pink color solution and observe. Surprisingly, we can observe that the solution become colorless. All of a sudden, whenever, as soon as we add the drop of hydrochloric acid, what will happen? The pink color disappears. Okay, let us see again. Again add one drop of basic solution, sodium hydroxide, then observe. It is just like a miracle, the solution again become pink color. Okay children, now what is the difference? When we are adding acid to the solution, what to do? What will happen? The color disappears. When we are adding basic solution, the color is coming back again. Understand? This is from this experiment. It is showing on the screen. The first test tube, acid solution is there. That is the no color it is there. After adding sodium hydroxide basic solution, the color changes into pink color. Okay, this is the experiment of neutralization. We will continue in the next slide. Children, the conclusion of the neutralization experiment, you have a look on the screen. The first test tube you can see that acid plus indicator, hydrochloric acid plus indicator phenolphthalein, and see at the top we are adding basic sodium hydroxide slowly, and see the second test tube, the solution become pink color. So that is the neutralization reaction. When the solution is basic, we can conclude from this reaction. When the solution is basic, phenolphthalein gives pink color. Whenever we are adding basic solution, phenolphthalein gives pink color. On the other hand, when the solution is acidic, if any acid is adding, it remains colorless. That only neutralization reaction we are learning from this experiment. Okay, let us continue afterwards. Children, I told you we will continue the neutralization reaction. Okay, let's start now. When an acidic solution is mixed with a basic solution, both the solution neutralize the effect of each other. When an acid solution and a base solution are mixed in suitable amount, suitable amount, both are mixing together, what will happen? Both the acidic nature of the acid and the basic nature of the base are destroyed. The nature of both acid and the base are destroyed. After mixing of acid and base, one new solution is forming, but the resulting solution is neither acid nor basic. Okay. If we touch the test tube, anyhow we are doing this experiment in a test tube. After mixing acid and base in a test tube, then after the neutralization reaction, just touch the outside of the test tube immediately. What do you feel? We feel that very hot. The outside of the test tube we can feel it is very hot. That means in this reaction heat is evolved. After mixing of base and acid, the heat is evolved. That is why we feel hot when we touch the test tube. Okay, that only we can learn from this neutralization reaction. And one example I have given here, acid plus base, that is equal to salt plus water in bracket heat. Heat is coming out. Example given here, hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide. Hydrochloric acid mixed with the sodium hydroxide is a base. What we are getting? Sodium chloride plus water. Sodium chloride is a salt and water also getting, at the same time the heat is also coming out. So this is about the neutralization reaction. Nothing is there. Acid react with the base, will get salt and the water, along with that heat is also evolved. That is the process of neutralization reaction. Okay children, we are winding up the session. Now again I will come with another topic. Till then keep learning. Take care. Thank you.